Man the Fish channel here. Today we're going to be doing a prime rib roast. I'm going to smoke it. First time I've done a prime rib roast in a offset smoker, and the videos that I've seen look fantastic, so we'll see how this comes out. Thanks for joining me. Prime rib roast. Oklahoma Joe 3-in-1 offset. Again, using the chimney, you'll notice no lighter fluid, and I've got other videos that go into firebox management and starting coals. Check those out. Garlic, Worcestershire, horseradish, spread on, dusted with coarse black pepper and coarse salt. Coated in the Worcestershire, horseradish mustard, and garlic. Got the temperature throttled back to 225 plus minus. Get too stressed about it. Dampers closed off. Ready to go on. Well, there it is. Hit a little bit higher temperature than I wanted to. I hit about 140, so we'll see what that looks like when we strip it down. Alright, as suspected, I did get it a little bit over temperature there, but the taste is still phenomenal. Got a little smoke ring going there, tender and juicy. I'd say it's a score. Thank you for watching Teach a Man to Fish channel. Please take a look at the other videos. Click like, subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed watching the video as much as I enjoyed making it. Teach a Man to Fish channel here.